Welcome back, investors, to Ticker Time News. I'm Adam, and I want to have an honest conversation about Workhorse. As most of you already know, Workhorse announced earlier this week an update to its ongoing review of the company's business. So let's talk about this news and let's discuss the future of the company. Now, before we get started, I want to let you know about an upcoming new market close live stream that we're putting together. Based on your feedback, the After Hours show will premiere on the first Monday of October. So I hope to see all of you there after the closing bell at 4 p.m. on October the 4th. Workhorse has had a rough September, losing over 20% of its value to trade in the $7 a share range, to withdrawing its complaint against the USPS, to having deliveries of its C1000 suspended and recalled. Now, I appreciate Workhorse for trying to spin all of these negative events in a positive light. I mean, that's what you'd expect from any company, right? Now, we all know that it's standard practice for a new CEO to come in and review every little detail about the company. And the best CEOs, when they find a problem, they fix it. They don't just sweep it under the rug and think it's a little problem that nobody will pay attention to, so let's just say we need to make our shareholders happy and get these trucks manufactured. Well, thankfully, that's not the path Workhorse is on right now, and I hope they're never on that path. It seems Workhorse has brought on a good CEO and leadership team. But to be brutally honest, I don't think the third quarter is going to be that positive for Workhorse. Now, I know we should hear Workhorse's new long-term strategic roadmap and operational capabilities on the third quarter earnings call, but Workhorse has already been there before. Workhorse's previous leadership team let us all down and has broken our trust with the company. That's why the share price has gone as high as $43 a share, down to a low of $7 that we find ourselves in right now. Unfortunately, Workhorse's new leadership team is going to have to work extra hard to win back our trust, and that's okay. Now, on the third quarter earnings call, besides the roadmap, we're either going to hear they have fixed the truck's problems or they're still working on solutions to the truck's problem. That's going to be equally as important, actually, maybe even more important than the roadmap itself. For a startup like Workhorse, recalling 41 vehicles it had already delivered is a costly mistake. A company that should be well into the manufacturing phase, having to start all over again because it identified a number of enhancements in the production process and design of one of its trucks, are also a costly mistake. A company that says its previous statements related to the compliance of its product cannot be relied upon is a costly mistake. Now, yes, Workhorse does have cash on its balance sheet, but that cash is not infinite. Workhorse cannot continue to have costly mistakes, or it will fail. Now, I know the new CEO, the new leadership team are working every day to put Workhorse on the right path. And I, for the lack of a better word, hope they can do it before they run out of money. Because, ladies and gentlemen, that's the real race here. Can Workhorse solve its problems before running out of money? So, in the third quarter and in the fourth quarter, we need to watch how much cash they're burning. That's what will give us the clearest picture of their roadmap. and whether or not it's attainable. So the silver lining here is that Workhorse has a seasoned and smart CEO and management team running the business now. They're making the tough decisions rather than letting the company continue and either face longer and larger recalls in the future or build a crappy product that has issues and hurts the company's future sales. Now, the fourth quarter could have some good news, like new partnerships, new initiatives, but the best thing that we could hear is that they have resolved any and all problems with its truck. And it would be great to hear that manufacturing has officially started. And deliveries, well, they'll begin in Q1 of 2022. That would be a sign of moving forward. What do you think we'll see from Workhorse going forward? Is there still negative news on the horizon? Or has the sun set and a new day is upon us? Let's talk about it in the comments. Could you smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and click subscribe to join our family of investors. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.